This is the tutorial for exercise 7A from your beginning AutoCAD workbook. Okay, in exercise 7A, the main command we're going to be using is copy. So it shows you instructions 1 and 2 to draw the lines and one circle. And then it shows you what the end result should be, where all your circles should be located. The next page shows you some hints for where you should be selecting base points of your circles. Some are center, some are quadrant, because you can see that some of the centers of the circles are at the ends of the lines, some are on intersections, and some circles, the quadrant touches the end of the line. Okay, so let's set up our lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need eight vertical lines, and again, we don't have sizes here, so that should give us enough room. And we did learn copy. Mouse is jumpy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, I missed my intersection. 7 and 8. Okay, and then we need 2 horizontal lines. I guess. Mine are spaced out more than what they have there, but it doesn't give us sizes, so we're okay. All right, so I'm going to make one small circle to begin with. I'm just going to stick him over there on the side. Now I'm going to turn my line weight thicknesses off so that it's easier to work. Okay, so for my snaps, I have endpoint, center, quadrant, and intersection. So I'm going to start with those. So the first thing I'm going to put on are the circles across the very top, the ends of the row. So I'm going to take this first one and I'm going to move him from his center to the end of that line. Copy. Another way you could do this is you could just create this first row and then you could copy all of them over at once. But we're just going to go piece by piece. And again, we don't have any sizes for any of these, so I'm going to turn my grid snaps off because I just want to snap to my line sections. Okay, so the middle rows, we're going from the center of our circle to the intersection of these lines. And just to make life a little bit easier, I'm just going to select all these circles and copy them from there to there. Okay, now the last row on the bottom are circles. The 12 o'clock quadrant point touches the end of the line. So there. And again, I'm going to copy these all over. To save time, you could have just done one row and then copied it over 7 times. And the ends on the right, the 9 o'clock quadrant touches the end of the line, and on the left, the 3 o'clock quadrant touches the end of the line. Okay, so that's exercise 7A. Once you've completed it, this is what it should look like.